Hello everyone, my name is Jason Oswald and this is my technology news presentation for Foundations of CIS at Lake Superior College. My presentation is on the Samsung Galaxy Fold. So what is the Samsung Galaxy Fold? The Samsung Galaxy Fold is a new folding smartphone design from Samsung. However, the Galaxy Fold has two displays, an internal display and an external display that folds closed when not in use. The internal folding display is approaching the size of a small tablet, while still being small enough, when folded, to use and manage as a normal smartphone. Some specs on this new device. The Galaxy Fold comes in with a starting price of $1,980. It is equipped with an Android 9 operating system, also known as Android Pie, and is running a Snapdragon 855 CPU. The Galaxy Fold comes with 12GB RAM and 512GB memory that is not expandable. The two displays on the Fold measure in at 4.6 inches for the small external display and 7.3 inches for the larger folding internal display. The Galaxy Fold has a 4,380 mAh battery and is 5G capable. Cameras. The Galaxy Fold has three rear-facing cameras, a 12-megapixel wide, 12-megapixel telephoto, and a 16-megapixel ultra-wide. And three front-facing cameras, a 10-megapixel wide selfie camera when closed, a 10-megapixel wide selfie camera when opened, and an 8-megapixel wide camera when opened. Features. The Samsung Galaxy Fold features stereo speakers, a fingerprint sensor built into the power button, no 3.5mm headphone jack, is compatible with Samsung DeX and comes in four different colors: Space Silver, Cosmos Black, Martian Green, and Astro Blue. Availability. Pre-orders for the Samsung Galaxy Fold started on April 12th, and the device was due to release on April 26th. However, the release has been delayed due to possible design flaws. Samsung has not provided a new release date, and the recent statement from the company stated that all Galaxy Fold pre-orders will be canceled if the design flaws cannot be fixed by May 31st. The design problems have stemmed from a few early release devices experiencing device screen failures. Some Galaxy Fold devices' screens are failing due to a protective layer peeling off or being peeled off, making the device unusable. Recap. The Samsung Galaxy Fold is a new dual-screen folding phone design from Samsung. This was due to be released April 26th, but due to early release devices experiencing design problems, the Samsung Galaxy Fold no longer has a set release date from Samsung. Here are my references if you would like to learn more about the Samsung Galaxy Fold. Thank you for watching.